start by taking the kernels off the cob of 2 ears of corn. You can make as many of these ears as you want. I'm just gonna make a little salad for you so that you can see how I make mine. I'm gonna do it directly inside a bowl that's on top of a wet rag so that I don't have corn all over the place. We're simply going to get a sharp knife and we're just going to go down the whole cob. I'll do this with the 2 ears and come back. I'm using sweet mini peppers for these. You can use regular bell pepper. Whichever one you're using, stem it and seed it. And then we're just gonna cut it in strips. We're gonna heat a pan until it's nice and hot. If you have a cast iron pan, that'd be awesome. If you don't, use what you have, okay? Add some oil, not much. We're gonna add the corn and the peppers. Stir your vegetables occasionally. You wanna let them have a little bit of, you know, burned spots if you want. Don't burn it, but you do want that nice little char bits. Okay, this is just about right. You can see, oh, this smells great. We're gonna take this off the heat and let it cool down so we can finish our salad. We're gonna add a little bit of thinly sliced red onion. We don't want it to overpower the flavor, so don't put too much in, okay? I'm gonna say for what I have in there, that's plenty. I'm gonna add tomatoes. I love these. I love summer because I have all these beautiful colored tomatoes. You can use any tomato you want, by the way. So I'm just gonna half them. Half a peeled cucumber. We're going to seed it. And we're gonna dice it. I'm gonna put a piece of jalapeño in here, absolutely optional. We're gonna add some cilantro and some lime to this, but you can change the profile of the flavor profile of the salad very easily. Instead of cilantro, use basil. And we're going to use Cotija cheese, and instead of the Cotija, use feta. Also, instead of lime, use white vinegar. So very easy. You can make it both ways and, you know, have 2 different salads. I'm gonna crumble some Cotija cheese in here. Look how beautiful that salad is. So I'm squeezing a lime in here. All right, I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna taste it. It probably doesn't need any more salt because of the cheese. I will add some salt. And I'm gonna add a little olive oil. So let's taste this. There's an explosion of flavors inside my mouth. Oh my goodness. We have that little char from the corn and the pepper, and the vibrance of the cilantro and the lime in there, that little tartness, the whole thing. It's just delicious. The cheese, yum. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please give me a like and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you can get notified when there's a new video. I'll see you soon.